You've heard James say it a million times. Respect the Polygon. At Weather Call, we make the Polygon better. We call, text, or email you so you'll always know when you're in danger. No matter who you are, there's a Weather Call solution right for you. Check us out at weathercallservices.com.
It's Friday afternoon, March 29th. I'm James Spann. This is your video briefing for the upcoming Easter weekend. Weather looks really good. Warm weather headlines the weekend forecast, and maybe some strong storms Tuesday of next week. A lot of new data is in the house. So here we go. This is the upper air look today. And again, we have a dry northwest flow aloft. And it's just a glorious, glorious day. We've got clear skies all across the state. Temperatures mostly in the 70s. And we'll be in good shape over the weekend. Here's a quick peek at the radar composite across the country, and you can see things are pretty quiet. Here's the watch warning map. We have some wind issues out west in parts of California and Arizona. Otherwise, the east is fairly quiet. Maybe some strong storms later today and tonight in areas west of Chicago. There is a marginal risk of severe storms there. Tomorrow, no severe storms expected across the country. And then on Sunday, Day 3, we have a marginal risk from the Corn Belt over to parts of West Virginia. That will include cities like Indianapolis and Cincinnati. Then we go to Day 4, which is Monday. We have an enhanced risk defined for places like Tulsa, Oklahoma, Springfield, Missouri, up towards St. Louis. The broader risk on Monday running from central Texas over to near Cincinnati. And then on Day 5, which is Tuesday, we have a severe weather risk defined from North Alabama over to near Washington, D.C. and Baltimore. And in Alabama, that risk is for areas basically for Birmingham North. And again, there's a lot of questions about this. I'm not totally convinced we have a big severe weather day, but still, Tuesday is still several days out. We've got new data. We'll take a look at that here in just a second. Here's a look at rain for Birmingham for the next 7 days. Rain amounts generally 1/2 to 1 inch for the north, under 1/2 inch for the south. And basically, this is all Tuesday and Tuesday night. Other than that, we're dry for the next 7 days. So here we go. We'll take it day by day. Model fans, the GFS. This is the 12Z run, valid tomorrow at 4 o'clock. Got an upper low that's northwest of Los Angeles. Got a flat ridge here and a beautiful day. We start the day around 50, the high way up in the 70s. We might see some low 80s in South Alabama, and everybody on Easter Sunday should exceed 80. Should be the warmest Easter in several years. The sky partly to mostly sunny. Monday of next week, we're still warm and we're still dry. Highs 80 to 85. We note that surface low 991 millibars developing over the Oklahoma Panhandle. And, of course, that's the concern for the severe weather east and southeast of that surface low. But, again, Monday, we're dry here. And then Tuesday, that surface low is pretty far north. It's located a bit northeast of Indianapolis. And this will likely bring some snow to parts of Wisconsin and Michigan. And, of course, down here, we'll be watching for thunderstorms. Let's check the European. Very similar. It's got the surface low north of Cincinnati. And a secondary surface low forming over Louisiana. And showers and thunderstorms coming in here Tuesday afternoon into Tuesday night. This is Tuesday night at 9 o'clock. That surface low is over South Alabama. The primary surface low is moving up toward Quebec. And again, that's not really your classic severe weather look there. And even on the latest run, the instability values have come down. Not as robust as they were this morning. So with the limited instability in these surface features, just not really in the classic position for severe weather, I'm not totally convinced we have a big severe weather problem. Certainly a chance of strong storms. But again, once we get within 60 hours of this, we'll have a much better idea when the convection allowing high-res models come in. Wednesday, everything is on by. It's cold and snowy up around Detroit, Columbus, Ohio, Indianapolis, parts of New England. But down here, we're cooler. Highs in the low to mid-60s with a north breeze on Wednesday. This is Thursday. Again, Thursday morning, there might be a touch of light frost, much like what we saw this morning across North Alabama. The day will be sunny, the high in the middle 60s. And a week from today, Friday the 5th of April, got that deep upper low that's east of Cape Cod, new trough coming into California. And once again, we are dry, lows around 40, highs upper 60s and low 70s. So again, all of next week looks dry except for Tuesday afternoon and Tuesday night. Let's go at 10 days. Monday, April 8th, the day of the eclipse, the solar eclipse. All right, so we've got an upper low that's in the Pacific off to the southwest of San Diego. We have a northwest flow aloft here. And it looks relatively quiet, but understand this is deterministic output, and you just don't want to look at this. This is not very helpful this far in advance. We've seen some of the ensemble mean runs suggesting that clouds could certainly be an issue in parts of the path of totality, which runs from Texas up to northern New England. But again, if you're planning on traveling to the path, just don't get too worried about the weather right now. Once we get to Monday, we'll be within a 7-day window. Confidence will be much higher at that point. But again, we look to be dry on that Monday. And really, things look remarkably calm here for the next 10 days, except for Tuesday afternoon, Tuesday night of next week, when showers and thunderstorms are likely. Rain for Birmingham, a little under 2 inches. That's the mean. This is coming off the European ensemble between now and the 13th of April. And really, that's not that much for this time of the year. Temperatures coming off the national blend of models, 78 tomorrow, low 80s Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Then a big drop. We drop almost 20 degrees with highs in the low to mid 60s on Wednesday and Thursday. Then back in the 70s by that following weekend. And I think warm weather fans will like this map. This is the brand new 8 to 14-day guidance just in. This is for April 6th through April 12th. Temperatures above average over the eastern half of the country, below average back in the western states. Hey, let's roll the Children's of Alabama Kid Cam. Now, this is the way to enter a school right here. The whole school lined up, all right? You talk about a greeting committee. This is just great. This is Breakthrough Charter School in Marion, in Perry County. Those are the fourth graders. And we had a great time talking about the science of weather today. And let me tell you what, that's an amazing twister cake right there. That tasted good. Wow, that was good. But I like this. That was just great. That's really an amazing school. The teachers are just wonderful. The administrative staff there, the kids, couldn't ask for a better school. So again, to everybody at Breakthrough Charter School in Perry County in Marion, thanks a lot for a great visit earlier today. Come on now, you know you guys are looking good. So tomorrow, a book signing. We're going to be in Moulton, Lawrence County. The local grind coffee shop, Lawrence Street, will be there from 9:30 until 12:30. And we're going to have a ton of fun. We'll have all of the children's books, our Benny and Chipper series, Prepared Not Scared, The Wonder of Thunder. All You Can Do Is Pray. That's the book about April 27, 2011, the generational tornado outbreak here. Weathering Life, my autobiography, the shirts, hats, much more. We have so much fun at these things. So again, if you're in the mighty Tennessee Valley, come see us. Moulton, Lawrence County, the local grind coffee shop, 9:30 until 12:30 tomorrow. And, of course, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, right across the hall in Studio A. ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a marvelous weekend, and God bless.